JATINGA. Over the last 100 years, thousands of birds have been flown to their death over a small strip of land in JATINGA, India. In a town of only 2,500 people, this bizarre Bermuda Triangle of fowl that remains largely unexplained, despite studies by India's most prestigious ornithologists. After monsoon season, usually in September and October and only occurring on the dark moonless night, 44 species of birds in JATINGA suddenly became distributed between the hours of 6 to 9:30 p.m. Strangely becoming disoriented, the birds plunged toward the torches and lights of the cities. However, the term suicide is a misnomer for a couple of reasons. Despite the danger and the repeat performance every year, the birds continue to fly their death in this small area of 1500 by 200 meters. A number of theories have been proposed, one suggesting that a combination of high altitude, high wind and fog makes disorient the birds and they are attracted to the light of the village. Bright light itself has been known to disorient bird as a source of flight stabilization. Another theory suggests that the weather of the region leads to change in the magnetic qualities of the underground water, causing the bird disoriented state. Wildlife and bird societies in India have gone to the village to educate them about the phenomenon in an attempt to stop the mass killing of the birds. Since then, birds that have decreased by 40%, government officials in Assam are hoping to use the phenomenon to attract tourists to the small city, and some work has gone to creating accommodation in JATINGA.